lesson, and I started some weeks ago. We had theory lessons and it was good. I mean, we see cars, but then trust me, it's not just about what you see. You need to be educated on everything about cars, and I got that, and it's really given me another exposure. So today is my fourth lesson for my practical session, and as in when I started, I progressed. Today I had the chance to go to the main road, and it was exciting actually. But my tutor was good and he coached me well. My personal experience, I think Toptech is the best driving school you can attend.